Welcome back, creators. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated electric hammers. An electric hammer is one of the most useful power tools to have around the house. It's essentially a drill with a hammering function that allows you to drill deeper into hard surfaces such as concrete, brick, or stone. This piece of equipment is used by construction and renovation professionals to mount wall brackets, attach fixtures to walls, and even remodel entire rooms. Electric hammers are also designed for heavy-duty tasks. If you're doing some work at home that requires you to break through tough walls and floors, then a hammer drill is exactly what you need. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated electric hammers available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the electric hammers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular update. The first electric hammer on our list is the BOSCH electric hammer. The BOSCH electric hammer features an inline design for excellent weight distribution while chiseling concrete in downward or horizontal applications. It measures 30.6 by 17.6 by 7 inches and weighs 25.1 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BOSCH electric hammer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: constant response circuitry. The constant response circuitry in this hammer ensures constant power under load, smooth starts, and overload protection. Variolock positioning. It has variolock positioning for precision rotation and locking of the chisel for added user comfort. Variable speed dial. The variable speed dial on the hammer allows the operator to match hammering power to application, ranging from 900 to 1700 BIM. Longer air cushion mechanism. This hammer features a longer air cushion mechanism that reduces vibration and boosts hammer performance. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it is a bit heavy, but it cuts through concrete quickly. The second electric hammer on our list is the Makita electric hammer. The Makita electric hammer combines hard-hitting power with additional features including soft start and a variable speed control dial for improved performance. It is ideal for both horizontal and vertical demolition and breaking applications. For its size, it measures 35.35 by 7.24 by 14.65 inches and weighs 38.2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita electric hammer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: a large side handle with switch control. It has a large side handle with a switch control that is easy to use. 16.4-foot cord. The electric hammer has a 16.4-foot cord for added convenience and accepts hex bits for a wide range of demolition applications. Soft start feature. It has a soft start feature that reduces the startup reaction for better control and accuracy. LED power indicator. The LED power indicator indicates switch failure or cord damage, and it also warns the user that the brushes need to be replaced in about 8 hours. 14-ampere motor with constant speed control. This electric hammer is equipped with a 14-ampere motor with constant speed control, which automatically adds power to the motor to keep it running at a constant speed under load. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it will not work on 4,000 pound per square inch concrete. The third electric hammer on our list is the VEVOR electric hammer. The adjustable 360-degree foregrip on this 3,600-watt electric demolition jackhammer provides extra control and comfort during extended use. It has a heavy-duty design and an industrial-grade finish for long-term durability. As for the size, it measures 28.5 by 15.4 by 7.1 inches and weighs 57 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VEVOR electric hammer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: D-shaped rear handle. The D-shaped rear handle is covered by rubber, delivering great vibration absorption and fatigue reduction. Trigger and lock button. It has a trigger and lock button for easier and more secure speed control. Blow and vent system. The blow and vent system efficiently dissipates heat while also improving security. See-through oil port. It has a see-through oil port that ensures accurate and timely oil filling. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, The oil bottle within the package isn't filled, so it is highly recommended to fill it with lubricating oil for best performance and keep this beast working like a charm. The fourth electric hammer on our list is the TR Industrial Electric Hammer. This powerful demolition jackhammer comes standard with everything you need to get started. Whether you need to install piping, gain access to the underground water supply, or demolish any concrete, it can generate 60 joules of impact energy, which can easily demolish various types of concrete and other materials. For its size, it measures 30 by 14 by 7 inches and weighs 50 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the TR Industrial Electric Hammer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 360-degree swivel auxiliary handle. It comes with a 360-degree swivel auxiliary handle for maximum maneuverability and control. Sturdy construction. The electric hammer lasts for years without requiring much maintenance due to its sturdy construction. 18,000 blows per minute capability. It is capable of delivering 18,000 blows per minute, allowing for an ultra-fast motion and increased torque. 20-foot extension cord. It comes with a 20-foot extension cord that allows you to move it from one location to another with ease. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the tool should not be exposed to the rainy season. The fifth electric hammer on our list is the XtremepowerUS electric hammer. This jackhammer is well packaged and the instructions are easy to follow. It is comfortable to use and its ergonomic handle allows you to extend work without tiring yourself. As for the size, it measures 13.8 by 31.1 by 8.3 inches and weighs 45 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the XtremepowerUS electric hammer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: long-lasting material and has a powerful impact. It is made of long-lasting material and has a powerful impact that allows for all-day demolition. Innovative design. The innovative design offers better weight distribution in both vertical and horizontal applications. Rotating chisel. It comes with a rotating chisel that locks into different positions to optimize work angles. Speed control. The speed control allows for a variety of jobs, protection, and constant speeds. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is this electric hammer should be grounded while in use. The sixth electric hammer on our list is the XtremepowerUS Heavy-Duty Electric Hammer. This 3,600-watt electric jackhammer has a 55-pound impact force that can break up even the toughest surfaces. It's one of the most portable jackhammers on the market because it doesn't require an air compressor. For its size, it measures 35 by 17 by 8 inches and weighs 59.9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the XtremepowerUS Heavy-Duty Electric Hammer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 360-degree adjustable foregrip. The 360-degree adjustable foregrip gives you more control and allows you to easily adjust it to the position you need for the job at hand. Active vibration control handle with a flexible two-handed design. It has an active vibration control handle with a flexible two-handed design that reduces vibrations significantly. 14,000 blows per minute. The jackhammer can deliver 14,000 blows per minute, allowing you to complete more work in less time. Blow mold case. If you're going on a trip and want to take the jackhammer with you, simply place it in the blow mold case. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it will not work for small areas. The seventh electric hammer on our list is the VIVOHOME electric hammer. The VIVOHOME electric hammer comes with the two-sided steel chisels that are capable of performing exceptional and heavy-duty hammering work. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including breaking concrete, chipping off the concrete, and driving piles, among others. As for its size, it measures 29.1 by 11.4 by 6.3 inches and weighs 43.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VIVOHOME electric hammer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 360-degree rotating front handle. The front handle rotates 360 degrees, allowing for easy all-around operation and better demolition angles. D-shaped back grip. It has a D-shaped back grip that absorbs vibration while also providing double security. Retainer buckling. The chisels are kept from falling by the retainer buckling in the back part of the chisels. Heat radiator. It has a heat radiator that helps to dissipate heat and keep the temperature down. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the demolition hammer should be warmed up for 5 minutes before use. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated electric hammers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next electric hammer roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.